Alright guys, so there's the date and time on a Garmin Forerunner 620. And right now we're standing outside of the AC Buehler Library on the Elmhurst College campus in Elmhurst, Illinois. Now I want to show you something before we go take a ride in the elevator in there. If you notice here, you got a sign. You got multiple signs pointing in the direction of how many miles it will take to these buildings. So I guess that direction right there is north, so it looks like it would take 456 miles. It'd be 456 miles to get to Canada, 1,518 miles to get to Mexico, 66,602 miles to South Korea in that direction. So yeah, it's really cool what they have that displayed outside the library. So anyways, we're going to go take a ride, hopefully the library is open, on one of the elevators that goes up. Okay, the library's still open, yes. So we're gonna go ride the elevator that goes up a super long distance. Look at that, guys. Look at the distance between here and there. So now we're gonna take a ride in this elevator. Not sure what brand it is, but it's got Adam's WN signature buttons. For our fire alarm fans, you got Firelight's fire alarm annunciator. How do you want to look at that? Is that seriously the chime for the elevator? Anyways, here it is. What the hell? It's a weird sound. Whoa, look at that. What the? Is that seriously the sensor? Oh my god, that's gotta be one of the stupidest sensors. That's probably one of the stupidest sounding sensors I've heard. Oh my god. Also, before we go anywhere, take a look at this panel. This looks more like a European panel or something. I've not seen that before. So it looks like this might be a wheelchair lifter of some sort. But wow, look at how huge those buttons are. It looks like this elevator is an Evolution. Or at least it's made by Evolution. So anyways, we're gonna press this really huge button and go up a really long distance. So here we go. Yep, judging by the sound of the motor. Is that really the sound of floor passing chime? It's such a weird sounding floor passing chime. Oh my god, wow. I don't know if you guys have ever heard anything cringy like that, but this is the first time I've heard a cringy sounding floor passing chime. So yeah, I get a cab view of this really tiny elevator. I don't know if it classifies as the elevator. Anyways, here at one, there's a vent up there. So you can see it's made by Evolution. There's your CFF inspection. I'm not actually sure who made those buttons, but yeah, never seen those buttons before. And there's your phone right there. And I'm guessing this used to work. I'm guessing this is where the indicator, or like the floors display, but it doesn't look like it works. And there's a emergency light right there. But wow, I've never seen a COP like that before. Especially not in the United States. And listen to that weird sounding chime. So anyways, we're gonna watch the elevator close up. There it goes. And that's it.